Welcome back to the Mind Upgrade. If you've ever heard the phrase, seeing is believing, then you're already on the right track. In today's video, we'll explore how visualization can help you manifest your dream life. Let's unlock the power of your mind's eye and turn your dreams into reality. Visualization is one of the most powerful tools in manifestation. It's the process of vividly imagining your desired outcome, as if it's already happening. When you visualize, you create a mental image of your goals, which sends a clear message to your subconscious mind. This trains your brain to believe your dreams are possible and real, which helps you take inspired action toward them. But how exactly does visualization work? Science shows that your brain doesn't know the difference between a real event and a vividly imagined one. When you visualize something, your brain activates the same neural networks as if you were experiencing it in real life. This makes your brain think you've already achieved your goal, boosting your confidence and helping you take the right actions to manifest it. Now let's break down the process of effective visualization. Start by finding a quiet, relaxed place. Close your eyes and picture your goal in vivid detail. Imagine the sights, sounds, and feelings associated with achieving your dream. The more real and clear the image, the more powerful your manifestation will be. Use all your senses to immerse yourself in the experience. Feel the emotions of success, joy, and gratitude. To make your visualization practice even more effective, pair it with gratitude and positive affirmations. Gratitude amplifies your vibration, attracting more of what you're grateful for. Affirmations such as, "I am worthy of my desires," or "My dreams are already manifesting," will help reinforce your belief in the process and align your energy with your goals. If you're ready to harness the full power of visualization and manifest your dreams, I recommend using Manifestation Magic V2.0. This program will help you clear any blocks, align your energy, and make visualization even more effective. Click the link below to get started with Manifestation Magic V2.0! Thanks for watching. Remember, visualization is more than just imagining your dreams. It's about aligning your energy with them. Practice it daily, and watch your dreams unfold. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more manifestation tips. The life you want is already within reach. Start visualizing it today.